Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another sewing tutorial. Today we're going to be using up some of our fabric scraps and learning how to make a set of quilted drink coasters. Use bright colors for spring or use holiday fabrics to make new coasters no matter the time of year. And as usual, today's project is a quick and easy one that's great even for beginners. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And if you're looking for a written version of this project with cutting measurements, step-by-step directions, and color photos, check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. There you'll find my collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns. These are patterns you can download and print at home so you can get started on your next project today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a backing fabric, cotton batting, 1 inch to 2 inch wide fabric strips, and an optional walking foot. First, center one fabric strip on the batting diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric strip facing up. Center a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strips and pin it in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip with the right sides facing each other. Pin it in place and stitch along the long edge of the fabric strip, again using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the corner of the batting. Then repeat the steps on the other side of the batting piece. Trim away the excess ends of the strip. Then flip the piece back over. Cut the block into 4 equal squares and cut the backing fabric into 4 equal squares. Place a backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a block piece on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Stitch around the entire piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on one side open for turning. Clip the corners and turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch all around the fabric about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, making sure you're catching the spot you'd left open for turning. Do the same with your other coasters, and add any additional quilting if desired. And just like that, just that fast, you have a brand new set of drink coasters made out of your scrap fabrics. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing tutorials like this one, be sure to check out some of the other how-to videos we've done. See you next time with another project.